Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am trying out the product that I chose for my April 2022 Ipsy Glam bag, which that bag finally arrived and that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But so this is from a brand that I have not heard of before, and I love trying out new makeup brands, and this one is called Dear Beach, which I'm so excited about because looking it up online, it's like a beach inspired makeup and body care line, which I am really into. It's cruelty free, vegan. This is a little sample size of the Glassy lip oil and gloss, but the full size retails for $25. And this is the first lip oil and gloss that I've seen, and I love both of those types of products. So combining it into one has me very intrigued. And I get very dry, chapped lips, so I love a lip oil that can be deeply moisturizing and get rid of any dry areas. And this is made up of nourishing oils like jojoba oil, olive oil, and meadow foam oil. So this sounds really great for my lips. And so let's go ahead. Ooh, I like that this little sample size is the squeezy applicator as well. Ooh, it comes out a little fast. But I want to see what it smells like. I think I'm getting a nice scent, like a fruity, not too overpowering, but really nice smell to it. It's completely clear. So let's go ahead and see how this is on my lips. Oh yeah. It has a really nice texture to it, very silky, smooth, like not the least bit sticky. Very pretty, not as shiny as I was expecting, but super moisturizing. And I just really like the feel of it. And I love how my lips look and feel completely moisturized. So I like this for the moisturizing treatment aspect of this. As far as like enhancing the lips, it doesn't smooth out the lips very much and it doesn't have super high shine, but it's more just like a really nice feel. So I definitely see myself reaching for this when my lips need the moisture, but if I want something that is going to make my lips look more flattering, better, with shine, with color, which is what I prefer for my lips to look like, I'm not going to be reaching for this. Like this is more, I feel like a nighttime treatment it would be great for, or just when I'm at home not going anywhere, but this is not the lip product that I'm going to throw into my purse to throw on while I'm out, because I just want a little bit more on my lips when I'm out. But I'm also kind of thinking like the beachy vibes, the beachy like feel of this line is to be more natural. And I like that. I mean, for the beach, this is a great lip product and a great lip treatment. And I am so impressed by this nourishing, comfortable formula that I do want to try out more from this brand, Dear Beach. So if you've tried any other products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.